Hey, what's up guys? I just got this EVGA FTW3 Ultra GeForce RTX 3090. I finally got this card. Oh my gosh, you can't find anywhere for retail price. On the EVGA website it's $1,900. There's no way you can get it for that price. I got this card as a bundle. Basically I got a bunch of stuff like power supply, keyboard, mouse, even an Xbox, 3 months subscription pass, and I finally got this card. So today I'm going to open it and show you guys. Alright, let's open it up. By the way, just one thing I want to say, for the bundle I paid around $2,200 before tax. You know, the bundle, I saw it, 10 minutes later it's gone really quick. Here's a card. There's a bracket. Supposed to be there also a sticker. I don't see that. Oh yeah, right there. There's also a EVGA sticker. Alright, let's open up the card. This is a big card. It's really thick. Wow. Look at how thick the card is. And also, this card has a special thing that is from overclock and normal mode. So there's a little physical switch. If you switch to OC mode, all it does, it just controls the fan to spin faster. That's the only thing it does. Nothing else about the performance. By the way, this card have 3 8-pins power supply. So it does consume a lot of power. Let's measure the length. It's 11.5 inch for the card. I'm curious about the thickness. This is 2-inch thick. Wow. Definitely a big card. For the performance, I'm pretty sure you guys already know this is the best card currently from NVIDIA. That's why it's so hard to get. And you can get around 120 hash rate if you mine Ethereum. Alright guys, just got this card plugged in and it's running now. Just did a benchmark. First I tested out in Nicehash, did all the benchmark. Currently it's mining Dagger Hashimoto, which is Ethereum. And it shows $9 per day. 0.000143 Bitcoins per day. This is how much you got from one single RTX 3090. By the way, the hash rate is 123 mega hash per second. Now let me test out T-Rex miner. This is my overclock setting. My core clock is 100 megahertz. My memory clock is 1400 megahertz. And put power limit on 70%. And this is T-Rex miner. I don't need to do any unlock because RTX 3090 is already unlocked. Let's see the hash rate. 125 mega hash per second. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's crazy. And also this is the LED strip, so when you plug in it will light up. It's supposed to be just the one on the box. Yeah, pretty much that's it for the card. Just want to show you guys what's in the box for over $2,000 graphic card. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys give a like, subscribe, have a question, leave a comment. I'll see you guys next time.